The tests that they would want to achieve.
So you were of the flight test engineer, and so the three of them.
Make clear that there is no cabin on this aircraft; it's a test aircraft.
So very important for the flight test is to have an employee who has worked for a lot for that event.
Fantastic. For the suppliers and the customers, Tom, this must be, if you're watching, this must be quite a... 20 later on. Why is that important to customers?
It's extremely to the airline customer because the profitability of most airlines is around about 4% to do. I think helps us achieve our goals, but it's also very important in terms of airline profitability.
Great help for the crew, that telemetry room to conduct the flights, to make sure everything is good, working well. It's even less noisy, even at idle.